Welcome back to DIY Craftivities. My name's Isaiah, and today I'm going to be making a Droid Inventors kit by littleBits, and I'm going to show you it. Now I'm going to open it. Oh, cool! Like that. Ah! Let's see what's inside. Instructions, it looks like. It says like how to get the Inventor app, and it has some stickers. We have red, blue, black, and white, it looks like. Here's this. So now here's the engine parts. We have this. We also have this. This looks like it's on motor maybe. We have this. This. And we have a battery and a cord. This cord attaches onto these front battery, and then this plugs into the Droid. And so also we have this. This. And this and this. Looks like they attach on the Droid somewhere. Oh! And now we have some more stuff. I knew there was a reason that had to be like that. Here's his head. Oh, two head pieces, cool. Here's his body. Here's this, and this looks like his leg. And this is another leg, it looks like, maybe? Oh, yeah, right. And anything under here? Nope. Now let's get started. Okay, I'm getting the app. I'm typing in Droid Inventor app. Droid Inventor get. Okay. Step 1, attach the battery to this. Now, get started. Actually, I need to add this on first. I think I did. Let's see, it says grab this. The on motor, maybe? Okay. It says now this goes and looks like it attaches here. Oh, okay. I've got this attached, and this is what it looks like. So now it says, okay, accept mission. Missing anything here? Oh, it was just showing it through it. You have all your bits in front of you. Next. Pink one. Okay. Next. Next. The wire. This wire. Set these aside, you'll use them later, it says. Okay, these are attached. Set them aside. Next, Droid, cable, battery, 4P power bits. Yeah. That's this, I think. Ready? Next. Okay. Next. Okay, yeah. Already did that. So it was saying attach this, which I just did. I already did. Next. Okay. Explore Droid's different expressions. Can you make him scream? Try it out. Okay. Done. Mission complete. One mission complete. Continue. Driving circuits. Driving circuit, cool. Have you seen or this? This. Ready. Snap your DC motor to the board. Just is that supposed to be like that? Next. Next. Gather your droid parts. Okay. Says snap it to the middle, but snap, that's the second. So that means this one. There. Next. Okay, I'm trying good. Next, droid parts. Wheel hook, small wheel, and wheel hook. Oh, this is the wheel hook. It was just. This looks like it goes like into this. Look. Next. Okay, we turned on the power. It says, let's get your droid moving. Try it out. Try driving the slider. Okay, it just said turn this off. Now, battery mount. I need this. It says snap the battery inside here. Okay, I'll do that. Yes. Next. Now, set your circuit aside. Next, Droid parts. Wheel frame and mounting block. Okay. Put your mounting block onto the wheel frame, one side at a time. I think it means like, just flip it over this way. This, cool. There. Next, Droid parts, drive gear, this, and an axle, this. Ready. Attach the driver gear and axle to the wheel frame. Okay, it means, this is so it doesn't fall out. We like stick this here so it doesn't fall out. Now I get it. Next, large wheels, ready. It says press hard to attach the large wheels onto the axle. Okay. I'm pressing pretty hard. Look. Cool. Next. Better move the phone. Now, oops. Looks like attach it like this. Just stay on it, one upside down. Yes. Now, so I actually had to have this plugged in, but I couldn't get it in, so I unplugged it. So now I'm plugging it back in. Plug. Next. Okay, now press your battery on the back side of it. Yes. Next. Okay, Droid parts, spike gear. That means this. A piece. Ready. Okay. It says add the spike gear to the DC motor bit. And this is the DC motor bit right here. So I'm attaching it on. There. There. Click the DC motor bit assembly into the clips under the wheel frame. There, now I think I can attach it in. Next. Okay, I'm attaching this. Attach this servo to the front wheel. Now, so these can't drive because they're connected to the motor. I need to press that harder. Next, power on. You can now drive your Droid. Try. I'm driving this. Okay, done. Mission complete. Three missions complete. Assembly mission. Droid shell. Switch power off. Okay, next. It says arrange cables, how shown here. Next. Droid parts. This is the body base. Ready. Click the body base onto the wheel frame. So flip it upside down like this. And now grab this. Put this in. Looks like it goes like, yep. Goes like this. This is how it looks like. Next, Droid parts. Body. Ready. Wait, this, now this attaches here so we can fit the body in. I need to attach, huh? Okay. There. Next, front panel. This is the front panel. And I already know where it goes, I think. Okay. So this goes here. Okay. Droid parts. Left leg, right leg. Ready. It says, press hard to attach your droid's legs firmly to the body. I'm seeing what? Okay, this goes on this side. I need to attach it tightly so it doesn't fall out. And this goes on. I guess I have that right. Okay, next. So Droid parts, head. Press to click the head onto the body. This is how R2D2 looks right now. Oh, I need to turn it on. I think it was, this is for it. You're driving towards me. Okay, done. Mission complete. It says start here, training mission. Control and customize your droid. Begin missions. Droid still, obstacle course, secret message, draw mode. Dad, not draw mode, I don't know why. Because you actually, like, I think you use this and then you put a Sharpie in it and then it has it facing down and you just draw all over the table with Sharpie, so definitely not draw mode. We're gonna put the stickers on, so we'll be right back. We finished putting the stickers on him, and this is how he looks. Oh, and you can also change the LED color on your control hub. Right now I have it on green. It's right there, I think, somewhere over there.
And R2D2 wants to say goodbye too. You can also explore more missions that we didn't show in the video by getting the Droid Inventor app. But if you like this video, don't forget to